Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has pushed a little bit higher today after we yesterday basically only formed a lower high and then a higher low. Okay, so we've basically yesterday spent some time between the Friday high and Friday low, so between those two price points, and today we've seen a small breakout to the upside. However, the price cannot yet sustain above the Friday high, which formed at 66,590. In this video, I really want to just give you a short-term update, basically an intraday update, and then maybe if I have time after the weekly candle close, I can give you another update. But overall, yeah, we're still maintaining resistance. So the price is still in the resistance area, still in the descending price channel. And we definitely have no 5 waves to the upside yet. I need to see, as already mentioned in the previous video, I think I mentioned it in the last update, how 5 waves would look like. I need to see a 5-wave move to $68,360 to indicate that something more bullish is playing out. That would be a 5-wave move as highlighted in yellow. At the moment, it's only 3 waves, okay? It's only 3 waves. Could this already be a small 5-wave move up? Yeah, possible. Don't find it very reliable, but you could say we had a small 1-2 down here. Difficult to see that 1-2 setup, but there was a small 1-2 down here. This could be a third. This could be a 4th wave pullback. It definitely was shallow enough for a 4th wave in a diagonal, and this could be a 5th wave. Now the proportions don't fully align. I don't like the look of it. It is a possible 5-wave move, and if we now get a pullback, we can watch for a higher low, maybe in the region of that 4th wave support or low at 65,820. So that means we might have 5 waves up. If the next pullback is corrective, it could be a breakout setup. However, the problem is that this potential 5-wave move, which again is very questionable, it's too small, okay? It's too small. It wouldn't take the price above resistance. So I need 5 waves above resistance. That's important. So therefore, the yellow count for me is the most reliable bullish path. Doesn't mean it has to happen, but it means that, for example, if we now break out and it gets to 67,980, which is the first ideal target for a 3rd wave, then yeah, I'm gonna be excited. But I will get more excited if the price can hold a higher low in wave 4, and then we get a 5th wave up to 68,360 or higher, because that means we have probably bottomed already in wave B. At the moment, as long as we only have 3 waves up, as long as we stay below resistance, I'm watching for one more low. And I'm definitely watching for signals that something more bullish could be playing out, because if I zoom out again, the price has, after it rallied in this white scenario, which assumes that on the 1st of May, a substantial wave 4 bottomed. Well, it rallied so far in a wave 1, came down in a wave 2, rallied in wave A of 3. This is now again the next corrective pullback, which I am labeling as wave B. I mean, this is holding support, right? And therefore I'm watching for higher prices, but I haven't got a signal that we are breaking out. Very important. So we are currently holding support, and we, as you can see, we are probably, if this is the wave count in white, then we are close to the end of the correction. So we might get one more low, but the highest, let's say the highest probability element of this decline has happened. Because look at the distance and what has already happened, you know, W, X, Y. And in the Y wave, we've got the A wave complete, we've got the B wave complete. So it's literally just the last few bits of that C wave. And sometimes it happens, sometimes not. I'm assuming it's going to happen because I typically go with the trend. So I'm watching for one more low until the price gives me a breakout signal. I find that is the best way of doing it. While holding, or let's say while holding support, means that we could still go higher. And it is expected that the price rallies in wave C of 3 next, probably after one more low. This will be my perspective as long as the price holds above 62,540, which means one more low could easily happen without breaking below key support. And I need still, though, a first signal that the low has formed, okay? So that's pretty much it. What we can say is if we get the 5 waves up, then this is likely going to be wave 1 of that C wave to the upside. And I would still like to see the price in this third wave get into the region around 76.5K. What I did say in the last video as well is that this B wave is quite extended, it's quite protracted, it's not too deep to be reliable, but it's still a very long sideways correction, you could say. And in my opinion, that makes it a little bit less likely that this white count is going to play out. But as long as we're holding upper support, this is going to be a scenario that's, being tested right now, being challenged. But I'm going to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt here. But they, of course, need to sign up. So I won't confirm the end of this correction, whether that's in the white B wave or in the yellow wave C or 4, which can send us down lower into the lower main support region. Again, all part of a larger bullish scenario still, especially as long as our main support area is holding. Well, I won't confirm an end of this correction until I see a first 5 wave move up. I will tell you though when the wave count is full, and in my opinion that would require at least one more low. On the ETH chart, interestingly, the wave count was already full on Friday, and since then we've already seen some nice upside. So I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.